Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Shashi with me today. Completely smashed his PTE exam with a perfect 19 writing, perfect 19 reading as well, 89 in listening and 79 in speaking. Well done, Shashi. A great score. Journey was not a very long one, but again it was full of ups and downs. At one stage we were not really sure what we have to do, and we just missed by a few points in the previous attempt, right?
Right.
As you told me before coming here, you took 2 attempts by yourself.
Yep.
And you were getting around 70s in that, right? All
Right.
the 4 modules, you were getting around 70s or 69, 68 or something like that. What do you think was the difference, or what were the new things you learned, and why do you think training was important to get a perfect score in reading and writing especially?
Sure. Before I start explaining that, first I would like to thank Language Academy. Thanks, Varun, for all you guys' support. As Peter Ďaker rightly said, if we can measure something, there's a chance for improvement. That's what exactly has happened here. Before I come here, I really don't know what is that I'm doing wrong and what is that I'm doing right, and the strategies, right? As you rightly mentioned, in the writing, what the written discourse exactly and what is required for me to get there, and I can go with a template. These are the important strategies which I learned from this whole activity. And the other important part is the lab. That every tutor, every person in the lab is energetic first. A smile, the smile that you are seeing right now.
Yes,
so smile is there on the face, and then even if we do some mistake, what is the exact mistake, and giving that yardstick. That was the important thing that I suggest.
That's right.
So this is the great thing. More than PTE, as I was telling to other people, more than PTE, it is about the training activity and the training environment that is created in the Language Academy is very important.
That's right.
Thanks to the management, thanks to the staff, everyone. It was really great. I would suggest the other friends who are part of this journey to simply follow the templates or the strategies more importantly, and then just smash it.
That's right. That's right.
We are in Language Academy. It means it will be done for sure.
That's right. That's right. Thanks for that. So basically, what you were missing out in your previous attempt was the feedback, and you were not really sure what you're doing wrong and why you're not really getting the score, right?
Exactly.
That is what happens with a lot of students out there. We get a lot of students every day. They tell us, "I'll just keep on going for the exam," right? Guys, remember this thing: if you are doing the same thing again and again, you're not going to get different results.
Exactly.
Right? You have to change something, because there's a system out there. If system is receiving the same response, it is going to give the same results as well, right? So that is what happened in his case as well. You need to follow the right strategies. You need to understand what is important, how everything is measured, what is written discourse actually. A lot of students are not really aware. They think I'm getting 55 in written discourse. My summary is not fine, or my summary spoken text is not fine. Very important, how everything is marked and what is important and what goes where. Before we wrap up, any final piece of advice for students who are, we get a lot of students, they are kind of depressed, they have given a number of attempts, they feel like giving up, they think PT is passed. Any advice for them, please?
Sure. We are in the computer world. Generally, we hear the first day of computer, garbage in, garbage out, right? So, as he rightly said, if you keep on feeding the garbage to the computer, it gives the garbage out for sure. So, take the garbage out of the minds. Let's take the strategies which the Language Academy gives, and take the feedback in a very positive sense. That's what exists here. If you do that, I'm 100% sure it will happen. If I'm able to do it, I'm sure anyone will be able to do that.
That's right. That's right. That's very positive energy from you. Very, great to have someone like you who believes that everyone out there can do it. But yes, guys, very important, if you're going for an exam which requires you to demonstrate that you have good hold over the language, you need to know what is required to demonstrate that particular thing. Make sure you have the right feedback, right strategies, and the templates, and you are going to smash it as well. All the very best. Thanks once again. All the very best, guys. I'll see you very soon.
Thank you.